Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove page numbers in Canva. This comes up a lot when you're working on things like Shopify guides, lead magnets, or internal reports, and then realize page numbers aren't needed anymore. Maybe you're exporting a PDF for print, sharing a document digitally, or you just want a cleaner, more minimal look for a presentation. This quick walkthrough will show you the exact place to turn them off without messing up the rest of your design. Start by opening the project where you previously applied page numbers. This can be any multi-page design in Canva, presentations, ebooks, reports, brochures, or any document with more than one page. The key here is that the page numbers were added using Canva's built-in page numbering feature, not typed in manually. If they were typed in like regular text, they behave like normal text boxes that you can click and delete individually. The method I'm about to show you applies specifically to Canva's dynamic page numbers, which automatically update across all pages. Once your design is open, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on the Text tab. This is where Canva keeps all the text options, from standard headings and body text to more advanced tools. Inside the Text tab, you'll find a section called Dynamic Text. That's where Canva groups features that automatically update across your pages, including page numbering, which is especially helpful for longer documents. Click on page numbers within this dynamic text section. Doing this brings up a small panel for page number settings. At the bottom of that panel, you'll see an option labeled Remove All Page Numbers. Click that, and Canva will remove the dynamic page numbers from every page in your design at once. There's no need to go page by page or hunt them down manually. The change applies immediately, so you'll see the numbers disappear across your document right away. A few quick clarifications to help you avoid confusion. This action removes only the dynamic page numbers that were added through the Page Numbers tool. If you used a template that included regular text boxes with numbers, or if someone typed numbers manually on each page, those are considered normal text and won't be affected by this removal button. In that case, those would need to be edited or deleted as regular text elements, just like any other text box. Also, removing page numbers here doesn't alter any other layout or design choices you've made. It only targets the numbers themselves, so your spacing, text, images, and branding all stay intact. If you change your mind later, you can return to the same Text tab, open Dynamic Text, and apply page numbers again. It's a reversible, non-destructive choice designed to keep your workflow flexible, especially when you're testing different versions of a document. And that's all you need to do. Open your design, go to the Text tab, choose Page Numbers under Dynamic Text, and select Remove All Page Numbers. Simple, fast, and clean. If this helped you clean up your Canva design, give the video a like. It really helps support the channel. If you're a Shopify store owner or just getting started with Canva, be sure to subscribe for more quick, practical tips you can use right away. Drop a comment below if you have a question or there's another Canva feature you'd like me to break down next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.